So over here you can see that I have a task list, and then most of the tasks right here are automatically scheduled. For example, over here you can see that in the storyline writing, it takes 10 days for the script writer, thus resulting in 80 hours of work right here. But let's say I want to assign another resource to this so that the work is done faster, and I want Microsoft Project to calculate everything automatically. So that means if I assign more manpower to it, then the days should reduce with the amount of work that there is. So to do that, I need to go around onto the view menu and enable the detail right here, and you can see that task form is turned on. So once I do that, here what I can do is I can assign another resource right here. But before I do that, I want the number of days to be automatically calculated based on more manpower right here, meaning I want it to be reduced. So I'm going to click on effort driven, meaning if I were to assign more manpower to it, the days should reduce. So to do that, I'm going to go around and let's say assign a crew member. So now, right now, nothing happens, but as soon as I press OK, now you can see that the days gets reduced out. And you can see the crew member out right here as well, and you can see the script writer, and if both of them work together, then you can see that based on the 80 hours of work right here, if the crew member helps the script writer, then instead of taking 10 whole days, it'll take 8.75 days. So what Microsoft Project actually did right here is calculated the effort that the crew member can apply to the scriptwriter based on where the crew member is already assigned in other places as well, and then calculated a new time right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in, let's say, editor's help as well, and press OK. And now you can see that if the editor helps out based on the other places where editor is involved, you can see that the work should complete in 6.08 days now. And if you were to go around and remove them, so let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and then delete the editor and the crew member, press OK, and now it's back to 10 days again. And in case of automatically scheduled tasks like this, depending on the number of work hours there are, if you assign new members to it, and as long as the effort driven is checked on, then what happens is that you can go around and then make sure that everything is calculated and automatically scheduled as the number of days gets reduced, just like this in Microsoft Project. That's helping you to plan for your project even well. So that is how you can work around with the effort driven tasks, as long as you have automatically scheduled tasks inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.